let's look at this new topic, iterated integral. So this means we're gonna do integrals a couple of times, okay? So if it's a function of two variables, then we can do the integral twice. So an integral of an integral. If I have a function of three variables, then I can talk about integrate this function with one variable and then with another variable and with respect to the last variable. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna work this from inside out. I will focus on this integral with respect to x and take that and take the result. So now let's say I've finished this part. I've found the integral with respect to x. So then I have another function, okay, then just call it f. Then I integrate this function with respect to y, right? Once I'm done, I get something else. So I find an antiderivative that's called g, okay, just a name. Then I work on integrating g with respect to z. So that's what we meant by integral of an integral of an integral. Okay, if you have two variables, then you can only have two layers. All right, so here I'm going to do this really quick. So my first layer is this. Let's keep whatever outside there, don't touch it. Focus on what we have here. So with integrating this function with respect to y, I treat x as a constant. So I get 2x over minus y, okay? Because antiderivative of y to the negative 2 is minus 1 over y. Antiderivative of 2y is y squared, okay? And this is a definite integral, so I'm gonna evaluate y at the lower limit and the upper limit, okay? So I'm gonna again ignore what I'm gonna do later. I will just focus on the first integral. Okay, so I will have, this is squared, I'll have minus 2x squared over x plus x squared minus 2x squared plus 1, and then I have this dx from the outside integral. So here I simplify this a little bit, organize it a little bit. 3x squared minus 2x minus 1, if I'm right. Let's double check. Okay, dx. All right, so I have a polynomial, integrating polynomial with respect to x, x cubed minus x squared minus x. Okay, from 1 to 2. This then gives me 8 minus 4 minus 2, whole thing minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, okay? So the first parenthesis, it gives me 2, and the second one gives me minus 1, so I get 3 as my final answer, all right? So the algebra for iterated integral is very much straightforward, okay? Very straightforward. You just need to know which variable you are working with, and then treat other variable or other variables as constant, and you just do it layer by layer from inside out.